Welcome to the Value Stream Mapping Made Easy course. Not every improvement will necessarily lead to a better value to the business or to your customer. This is a fact. Even worse, some point improvements can lead to creating other wastes in other parts of the organization. In a lean manufacturing context, Kaizen or continuous improvement efforts are most effective when applied strategically to deliver an uninterrupted value to the customer. A value stream map permits you to identify every process in the flow, streamline them together, and build an entire end-to-end value stream map according to the lean principles. It's a tool that you should use every time you make changes within a value stream. If you are a continuous improvement or lean or Six Sigma leader, or a manager in a factory, or even a business owner, and you're striving to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the value you provide, then this course is designed for you. Through this course, we are going to know why value stream mapping is so important and what differentiates it from other mapping tools. Also, we are going to talk about the basic principles of drawing the value stream map and how to draw the current value stream map. And also in this part, we will talk about how to use your pencil or Excel or iGrafx or Microsoft Visio as tools to draw your value stream map. Also, we will talk about the guidelines to a lean value stream and how to develop and draw your future value stream map. And finally, we are going to talk about important guidelines and principles for effective implementation. After going through the tutorials and understanding the basic principles, you will be able to submit your value stream map to get an individual feedback. All the best for you and for your continuous improvement journey.